trail closed. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, we were so excited to be here. And then, what the hell? That was epic. Okay guys, so that was unexpected. Once again, we came unprepared, we didn't research and things like that. The track is closed and now we're heading to another track. I hope this one's good. Okay, so we are already here. Christian just went to the loo and I just... look out. It's so cold, it's so breezy. Like, so Christian's still not giving up in life. We are going back to that signage. We are gonna read the sign that it's closed. We failed again, but yeah, we'll see. It's so cold.
And they look like not on
Guys, it's so cold and breezy outside. Like, I just can't believe it.
You just can't believe it. I dare you to.
Sabaan yan.